Can an American go a whole week only speaking the Irish language? Well, we're about to find out. So, in anticipation of Seachtain na Gaeilge, I'm doing this challenge where I go a whole week only speaking Irish. So I'll be attempting this challenge from March 1st to March 7th, and I'll probably post it afterwards, but since Seachtain na Gaeilge lasts from the 1st to the 17th, it's all going within the time frame, so all good. So the reason I'm able to attempt this challenge is because my spring break from college is the first week of March, so I have no school and I also don't have to go to work that week, so I'm able to try it out at home. Alright, so here's the rules of the challenge. Obviously, no speaking English, only Irish. Secondly, I cannot consume any English media. It has to all be Irish, except if someone has English media on in the background. I'm not just gonna cover my ears and pretend it doesn't exist. I'm just gonna be in the background, but I'm not gonna be locked in with it, it's just gonna be there. And I think that's pretty much it. It's not that complicated. So, join me this week as I post one video every day, speaking only Irish. It's gonna be so tough, but it's gonna be great. So I'll see you guys